Get ready for a fascinating journey into the world of entrepreneurship and viral products. Today, we are diving into the story of PopSockets, a simple yet ingenious invention that took the world by storm. But this isn't just a tale of a successful product, it's a masterclass in building a viral business, straight from the mind of its founder, David Barnett. Now, you might be wondering, how did a philosophy professor end up creating one of the most iconic phone accessories? Well, it all started with a simple problem: keeping his headphones untangled. Barnett's solution? A device that grips to the back of your phone, serving as a kickstand, a handle, and a savior for all those headphone-related struggles. But here's the twist: he had no prior experience in manufacturing, business, or finance. Talk about a leap of faith. Barnett's journey is a testament to the power of perseverance. Despite burning through money and facing manufacturing defects, he pushed forward. And here's where it gets interesting: he didn't just sell his product online, he went to a local toy store to observe customers interacting with his creation. This hands-on approach is a game changer. It's like he's saying, I want to understand my customers so well that I can anticipate their needs. As the story unfolds, we see Barnett navigating the retail world, adapting his product, and even dealing with a dispute with Amazon. But what's truly remarkable is his insight into leadership. He believes the greatest lesson is about people. In my opinion, this is a powerful statement. It's not just about having a great idea, it's about building a team that can bring that idea to life. It's a reminder that behind every successful business is a group of passionate individuals. Now, what many people don't realize is that Barnett never took traditional venture capital funding. This is a bold move, and it raises a deeper question: can you build a viral business without the backing of VCs? Personally, I find this aspect intriguing. It challenges the conventional startup narrative and highlights the power of bootstrapping. It's a path less traveled, but one that can lead to incredible success and independence. As we reflect on Barnett's journey, we see a story of resilience, adaptability, and a deep understanding of customers. His approach to leadership and funding is a refreshing take on entrepreneurship. So, the next time you see a PopSocket, remember the journey it represents. It's not just a phone accessory, it's a symbol of innovation, determination, and the power of thinking outside the box.